Hi everybody. I'm saying everybody, but this is a message for a very specific person. Today I'm sharing with you this. Okay, so I generally like write in the morning, but today I was like, it's Sunday, so I'm going to slow down, rest, relax, and I'll write when it comes naturally, intuitively. And it's 11 p.m. where I live, which is India. So it's 11 p.m. and I'm doing this live because what needed to come through me came through me right now, which is this message for somebody who has maybe forgotten to slow down. So if you are someone who knows that she is meant to slow down, relax, and you don't really connect yourself with this hustle culture, but you somehow also end up hustling, this message is for you. The faster you're trying to move, the slower your pace becomes. So interesting, right? The faster you're trying to move, the slower your pace becomes, not because it is what you deserve, never about your deservingness, because you deserve everything, but because of the misalignment in the values that you have adopted. You think you should be at an X point, having made Y amount, living in a mansion and whatnot, while forgetting what you need to actually learn here on earth. You're not here to be another replica of almost robotic humans who've been fed and bred to be in constant hustle mode. So you're not here to be another replica of these robotic humans that we see, and maybe that is in alignment with what they have come here to show us, to spread. And also, as a society, we've also fed and bred people like this, right? But you, in specific, are here to be an example of slow and intentional living. Yet, to achieve your dream to live slow, you have fastened your pace and you're trying to outrun your life, your lessons, your learnings, your journey. For what? That is the question that you need to ask yourself. For what? To get a pat on the back by the people who you think are successful or powerful? Those people, the same people you don't really actually like. Why do you try to convince yourself out of your own dreams, out of your humanity, out of your own life? You're not here to be an example of hustle culture. You are not meant for hustle at all. It does not mean that you're not going to go all out in your dreams. It doesn't mean that you're not going to strive for what you want. Of course you're going to do what you want. Of course you're going to try for your dreams and try for what you desire. But comparing yourself, then that is just not you, not for you. That is bizarre. It's like a human comparing itself to a flower, a magician comparing herself to to a pot, meaning like a flower pot, right? So that's not who you are. Don't try to outrun your own life. Remember your own growth. Remember how far you have come. Live your life mindfully. Pause and breathe. And that is a very, very, very clear message for you. Pause and breathe. Relax. Pace yourself. There is no point reaching the goal, the top of the hill that you're trying to go for, only to realize that your people, the people that you actually want to hang out, they're still partying at the campsite, and you're looking at them from that hilltop, realizing that you're surrounded with the very people that you never wanted to be like, because you don't resonate with them. You never did. So please know that you are at the right place. You are where you're meant to be right now. Let it unfold. Let yourself not miss living your life, which is to be lived your way at your own pace. You are required to slow down. You are here to be an example of slow living. Everybody is here to, in this, we are all playing some role in our life, also some role in on this earth, but your role is actually to be an example of slow living. So do that. So that is the message that I had for you today at 11 p.m. in the night. I hope you reflect on it. Let me know what comes through. Is it what you wanted? Is it what you needed to hear? I would love to know. Okay, all right. I hope you have a fabulous Sunday or Monday and the rest of the year. And yeah, have fun. Enjoy. Pause. Breathe. Relax. Take care.